we had to, and ये song का नहीं था, we were actually acting in that temperature, and that was really difficult. And literally, like, there were times I wanted to literally cry, but my tears would also freeze, so it was very difficult.
तो कैरेक्टर के बारे में बताइए, फिल्म में किस तरीके के कैरेक्टर में आप नजर आने वाली हैं, जिस तरीके का मैं आपको ट्रेलर में देखा, थोड़ा ब्रीफ
तो मैं इस फिल्म में आलिया पैट्रिक नाम का एक कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रही हूँ, जो कि एक्चुअली द फिल्म स्टार्ट्स व्हेन शी इज़ 8 years old, बट ऑफ कोर्स मैं वो प्ले नहीं कर रही हूँ. दैट्स अनदर गर्ल इज प्लेइंग फ्रॉम द टाइम शी इज़ 8 years old ऑनवर्ड्स. बट देन फ्रॉम द टाइम आलिया 18 years old की है, जब लड़कियाँ अपने आप को खोजने की कोशिश करती हैं, दे ट्राइंग टू फाइंड आउट, लाइक दे ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड देमसेल्व्स. So starting from that, I'm playing a range till the time she becomes a 40-year-old mature, successful woman. So she's very determined, very hardworking. She's a fighter. She will never give up in life, and very positive लड़की है. And किसी भी situation में अपने आप को खुश रखने की कोशिश करती है.
Okay, एक अलग तरीके के एक्टर में हम आपको देखने वाले हैं. So कितना चैलेंजिंग था, कितना डिफरेंट था, उसके बारे में बताइए.
ये पूरा फिल्म मेरे लिए बहुत चैलेंजिंग था, बिकॉज एज आई टोल्ड यू कि इतना रेंज मुझे प्ले करना था फिल्म में. लिटरली एन एंटायर लाइफ ऑफ लाइक दिस गर्ल आलिया पैट्रिक. इनफैक्ट मैं ये भी कहना चाहूँगी कि ये जो स्टोरी है, ये दिस इज़ इंस्पायर्ड बाय द लाइफ ऑफ पूर्णिमा मीर, हु इज़ आवर प्रोड्यूसर. So yeah, so I did a lot of like, I normally do this for any of my films which are drama. I do a detailed character analysis of the character before I go on shoot, and of course our director was very helpful. तो हमने बैठ के पूरा उसका dissection किया पूरे role का and everything. So before we went on flow, मैं बहुत I was very clear in my head about how I want to portray this girl from the time she's little till the time she grows up. So
the equation working with Himansh as well as Arbaz Khan.
So Himansh is mad. I think all of us know that he's crazy. He doesn't stop talking. I have to like literally hold my head and like sit with him because he just can't stop. But he's so much energy to work with. He's good fun. He's like a very sweet boy. Arbaz again, like now Arbaz, I personally think he's extremely lucky for me because जब भी वो मेरे साथ किसी फिल्म में होते हैं, it tends to work. So जाने तो या जाने ना, my introduction scene was with him. Then किस को प्यार करूँ, we had a small interaction but still it was there. So इसमें तो we have a proper like role together. So I'm just hoping this will be like a super successful film for me.
So आपने दोनों के साथ काम है, हिमांशु as well as अरबाज सर, तो किसके साथ ज़्यादा ट्यूनिंग देखने मिलेगी मूवी में?
Actually मेरी ट्यूनिंग फिल्म में सभी के साथ देखने को मिलेगी, be it हिमांश, be it आशुतोष राणा सर, be it सुप्रिया पाठक शाह मैम, be it Arbaz, be it Prem ji. So like I have a very beautiful relation with almost every character in the film. So yeah.
काफ़ी लोकेशन में इसकी शूटिंग हुए थे. हाउ चैलेंजिंग इट वाज कि आप लोग को इतना काफ़ी हैक्टिक हो जाता है इतने लोग.
मतलब हेक्टिक मतलब we have shot from like really तपता हुआ डेजर्ट से लेकर we have shot in -11 degrees in US. It was mad. I remember मैं हमेशा like बचपन से देखती आ रही हूँ like all the actresses in the chiffon sarees like dancing like all happily and romantically in snow and everything, but reality जब जाओ तो पता चलता है it was really cold. I was experiencing -degrees for the first time personally. So and our outfits in the film like were not good enough for the weather we were shooting in. So it was almost like we had to, and ये song का नहीं था, we were actually acting in that temperature, and that was really difficult. And literally like there were times I wanted to literally cry, but my tears would also freeze. So it was very difficult.
Okay, so like जैसे इसका टाइटल नाम है जीना इसी का नाम, तो इस स्टोरी से कितना कनेक्ट होने वाला है इसका टाइटल?
और आपकी नज़र में इसकी क्या डेफिनेशन है?
See, जीना इसी का नाम है is basically the movie by itself is trying to show you a positive side of life. हमारी सबकी लाइफ्स में बहुत सारे सपने होते हैं. सपनों के साथ साथ we also have to we face a lot of problems, lot of hardships. सब कुछ आसानी से नहीं मिलता है. But how you deal with certain situations in life, how positively you smile at your situations, do not give up and rise above your problems, is what जीना इसी का नाम है. Ashutosh sir, I had seen him perform in Dushman, and what is that film? That film, Sangharsh. So it's very scary to work with somebody who has that image, right? And his eyes are like so intense, and like he looks like a lion himself, you know. So I was like, I don't know how I'm going to do this, but when I met him personally, he's wonderful. He's very warm as a person, and he's such a secure actor, and he only wants you to do better and do well. So he was constantly encouraging. He was trying to help me up my performance, and obviously when there is somebody as talented as them in front of you, naturally, you know, when you have a good actor in front of you, your performance, you know, tends to become better, because acting is all about an exchange between two characters. So
Apart from this, any other project you're working on?
yes, so I think this year is going to be a year of releases for me, and hopefully some new films as well. So after this, I have a film called Baba Black Sheep, which is releasing. Then there is a film called Dread Affair, tentatively
Again with
titled.
Arbaaz Khan.
Yes, so it's tentatively titled Dread Affair, but yeah. So as of now, this rest I will tell you as soon as I know.